Welcome class 10th. This is your construction lesson unit 6 and this is your exercise 6.2 third question. First and second question I have already done. Draw a circle of radius 3 cm. Take 2 points P and Q on one of its extended diameter, each at a distance of 7 cm from its center. Draw tangents to the circle from these 2 points P and Q. Now what you have to do? Take the circle of radius 3 cm and from this center you are taking P and Q at the distance of 7 cm, and then the same method we are taking the more than half from these two bisector. We are cutting the bisector and taking this M as center and M dash as center and drawing the circles, and intersecting points we are taking and we are drawing the tangents as we have done in the first and second question. Now construction we have done, written here what we are doing here, what I have explained in this, and like this we have to draw a circle of radius 3 cm with center O. Take points P and Q on one of its extended diameter, each at a distance of 7 cm, that is OP and OQ is equal to 7 cm. Join OP and OQ and bisect them. Let M and M dash be the midpoints of PO and OQ. Then taking M as center and MO as radius, draw a circle. Let it intersect the given circle at the points R and S. Then similarly, taking M dash as center and M dash O as the radius, draw a circle. The intersecting points are T and U. Then draw the tangents. Join the PR and RS and QT and UQ. The tangents are PR and PS and QT and QU. Now we are doing the construction. This is your scale. We are taking 3 cm. 3 cm. This is your 3 cm circle we are drawing here. First 3 cm circle. This is 3 cm. We are drawing the circle. We are taking in between because this is your 3 cm circle. This is center. Now we are taking 7 cm from this centimeter, 7 cm. Now this is your 0 to 7. Then we are drawing the line 0 to 7. That is, we are drawing the line. Now from this we are taking 14 centimeter because 7 to 14. This is also 7 centimeter. Then check this one, 0 to 7. This is also 7 centimeter. This we are taking P and this we are taking Q and this is O. Now bisect these two OP and OQ by taking more than half on both the sides. We are cutting the arcs. Both the sides we are cutting the arcs. From this also you can cut directly. Now from Q and P we are cutting the arcs. Now by taking P and Q we are cutting the arcs, isn't it? You can extend this one. Now if it is not bisecting, then we can extend this. Now join the points, these 2 points to get the midpoint. Select the points neatly and draw this is M, and now with the similarly we are selecting the points properly and joining the points. This is M dash we are putting. Now take the radius as M P R M O, because these two are the similar. This is M P and M O. Sorry. Now you can check M O and M P are the equal. Now draw the circles and now check this M dash O and M dash Q and draw another circle for this. See these two, MO and MQ are equal. Now draw the circle. Now draw the circle and then check the intersecting points. This is R and this is S and this is T and this is U. And now join these two, PR, select the points P and R and join these two and join PS, you are getting the tangents PR and PS. Now similarly we are joining TQ by selecting points T and Q, TQ and UQ. These are the tangents, required tangents. These are the required tangents we have drawn. Like this, this is the construction of our third question. I hope you have understood this one and you can construct very nicely. Thank you. And if you understood this one, like this, share this and subscribe this. Thank you. Have a nice day.